Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that is new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video I want to talk about one of my very favorite penny stocks that there is out there. It was the very first penny stock that I ever purchased, and I'm heavily invested into this stock because I do think it's going to 10x my money in the long term. I did make a video about this one particular company back at the end of year 2020, and since then has basically 2x. That company is called LiveXLive, ticker symbol LIVX, okay? Now, LiveXLive, in my opinion, is going to take over the music platform. In my opinion, I believe that one day, LiveXLive will overtake the spot where Spotify is, because LiveXLive offers something that Spotify does not. They offer music and video in the same platform. Spotify does not offer that specific service. So in this video, I basically want to update you guys on LiveXLive and why this company has so much potential and room for growth, and why this company still has 10x potential, maybe even 50x potential long term. As always, I always try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly could find to make sure you guys are the most up-to-date. And if it's something you like and you do enjoy, want to be part of our growing community, please remember to subscribe down to the channel and hit the boy with the big thumbs up button. It does help out the channel. So without further ado, guys, let's talk about LiveXLive. So LiveXLive Media Inc., ticker symbol LIVX, right now after hours is trading at $4.62. It is still considered a penny stock, but I do believe one day in the near couple months it is going to break out of this penny stock bracket. They have a market cap of $341.9 million and an average volume of 1 million. So you can kind of see that this company is still under the radar for a lot of investors out there. But look at the type of growth this company has had, okay? It has grown only 2% today, okay, after hours, which is not a lot. But if you could take a look back just 6 months behind, this company around October, December was trading around $2 mark, high $1 mark, okay? But since then has basically doubled in value, almost 150% gains in the past 6 months, okay? And year to date, in one full year, it has basically gained over 256%. So this company has something going on for them, right? So for those of you that don't know what LiveXLive is or what they do, LiveXLive is a digital media company focused on live entertainment. They focus on basically music and entertaining the viewer or the listener, okay? They have two different companies that they recently just acquired. Podcast One, that specializes in podcasts, and just Podcast One has over 2 billion podcasts downloaded already. And the next one is basically a merchandise company that basically helps the viewer get some merch of the creator, okay? For those super fans out there that want your favorite artist's merch or the hats or the logos or something, they get and they offer merchandise as well, okay? And you could kind of, we're gonna look at the financials really quick, but you kind of see how the EPS is still negative and is still not favorable for a lot of investors out there, but you kind of see it has been improving over time, okay? And that's what we like to see as long-term investors, improvement, right? You can kind of see that their operating income is around negative 35.99 million, but their total revenue has been increasing 38.66 million in 2020, okay? Their balance sheet is not too favorable as of yet, but they are improving. Their liabilities, or they, but they have been improving. Their liabilities have literally. But they have been improving. Their liabilities are way higher than their assets, okay? And again, when it comes to the how much money they have to operate, it's still in the negative sides, okay? But if we take a quick look at what exactly analysts have been saying about this company, okay? Because that's one thing that a lot of people like to look at. What are these top analysts saying about LiveXLive, right? So 7 analysts have looked at LiveXLive, and all 7 have LiveXLive as a 1.9, okay? A 1.9 is still considered a buy. A 1 would be a strong buy, and 5 being a sell. These 7 analysts have an average price target of LiveXLive of $7.36 with a $10 high, okay, and a low of $4, okay? So there is still a lot of room for growth. Right now it's only at $4.53, $4.62. So just imagine if you could get into this company right now, it could basically 2x your money just like that, okay? And that's just with the type of stuff that it currently has, right? So LiveXLive current financials, I'm gonna go briefly to not bore you guys, but you kind of see how they have 11 consecutive quarters of record revenue. The revenue increased 96.9% year over year to a record of 19.1 million. Okay, so let me just state this really quick. This company is not yet profitable. They are getting better in the type of income they have been getting, the type of money they have been using, and how they have been reinvesting back into the company. Okay, they have been growing, especially in paid subscriptions. Paid subscribers have grown from December 31st, 2020 has increased from 180,000 to 1 million. Okay, this number could vary. It could be a little bit below 1 million or a little bit above 1 million, but you can kind of see the type of growth is had since that time till right now. Okay, you could kind of see the biggest acquisitions of Podcast One had over 2 billion podcast downloads, and completed acquisition of Custom Personalization Solutions, the e-commerce merchandise company. Okay, it has a revenue of $20 million, just that one company, just to sell merchandise. Okay, so one of the biggest things that, why am I talking about LiveXLive? Because I've been talking about LiveXLive for a very long time, and I've been trying to promote this company to a lot more investors, because I do think this company is extremely under the radar. I am heavily invested into this company in my portfolio, in my public portfolio, in my private portfolio, in my fiance's portfolio, and even in my daughter's portfolio. This company is very important to the family, right? So we do believe in this company long term. Okay, so LiveXLive has been doing great things. For example, Podcast One had just inked a deal with Lalo for direct to consumer drop marketing. Okay, so Lalo lets fans get notified when creators release new content, merch, and events. So what LiveXLive does is they basically have partnerships with Twitch, YouTube, a whole bunch of these streaming services, okay, where you could kind of see videos and entertainment, right? So they allow you to basically watch Coachella live. You could pay your subscription or pay the fee of the pay-per-view watching or whatever, and watch that specific thing either on your phone, the laptop, wherever you are. Okay, you can listen to music on your phone, and you can even watch the videos or the type of live concerts on your phone. That is something that Spotify does not offer. And what Lalo does, it helps the super fans or the viewer or the listener basically get faster breaking news on the type of merchandise, the type of announcements, the type of presentations, the type of concerts that these artists are going to be performing. Okay, and for a lot of super fans or a lot of big fans, that's something that they want. They always want to be up to date with their favorite artist. Okay, and that's what Lalo is basically giving LiveXLive and Podcast One. They giving them a better opportunity to be more up to date with their customers and basically have another stream of income selling them the merchandise. Okay, and that's a very big thing. So, and another thing, LiveXLive opens auditions for Self-Made, a new talent competition platform finding the world's next big music artist. They are even going to start streaming their own competition or talent shows to find the next big artist. What is the benefit of that? It's going to drive more eyes into this LiveXLive platform. They're going to drive more eyes, more paid subscribers into this LiveXLive platform. So in my opinion, what they are doing is going to be very big, and it's going to be the next big thing for this platform, for this next big music streaming service company. Okay, and now the real reason why this company has been booming specifically today is because they announced Social Gloves, Battles of the Platforms mega boxing and entertainment event featuring the world's biggest social media stars from TikTok and YouTube to take place in June 2021. Okay, it's going to be a boxing match, YouTubers versus TikTok, and it's going to be strictly on LiveXLive. Okay, and this is going to drive a lot of eyes and a lot of these TikTokers and the YouTuber fans straight into the LiveXLive platform. Maybe, let's say, out of 1,000, only 10% get to be paid subscribers, or at least 10% get some merchandise through LiveXLive. Yes, the creator and the artist do get most of the income, but a certain percentage of that revenue goes to LiveXLive, and those paid tickets goes to LiveXLive. So LiveXLive is getting a whole bunch of eyes for this one boxing match that is going to be very favorable. Just imagine what Jake Paul and Nate Robinson did. The type of eyes and the type of attention that came through that boxing match could potentially be even bigger YouTubes versus TikTokers, and LiveXLive will be offering that. Okay, guys. So when it comes to LiveXLive as a stock, and what they are doing, because I do love what they're doing as a company. So what do I see this stock doing in the future? Again, I'm a heavy believer in LiveXLive. I'm heavily invested into LiveXLive, and I've been buying LiveXLive for a pretty long time now. I got into it when it was around $1.89, I believe, but I've been averaging up around $2, almost $3 right now is my average cost, but I'm heavily invested into it because I believe in it long term. I do see it even surpassing the analyst predictions of $10. I do see it hitting around $15 in the near future. I do see this company growing very heavily. They even announced that they will start to one day have, you know, shares buybacks, their buyback plan. Okay, so that's even going to help out this company strengthen the stock in the long term. Okay, I'm a very long-term investor when it comes to LiveXLive, and I believe in what they are doing. So many people have asked me, what will be the difference between Spotify and LiveXLive? Well, LiveXLive offers something that Spotify doesn't. They offer video. Okay, they offer video and live entertainment. Just imagine you're watching a concert like a Coachella. Okay, Spotify is not going to allow you to see this Coachella. Some people can't even afford a ticket to actually go to Coachella, but you could pay a paid subscription to LiveXLive and you can watch Coachella on your phone, on your laptop, or wherever you actually are. And that's just basically giving the viewer or the person, the subscriber, a little bit more benefit and a little bit more, you know, options to be more favorable to LiveXLive. I do think LiveXLive will one day take over Spotify's position in the market, in market cap, and how much subscribers and how many viewers actually has in the long term. Okay, I'm a heavy believer in LiveXLive, and I just kind of wanted to make this video to update you guys on what exactly is going on with LiveXLive, because they have been picking up a lot of attention, and I got very happy that a lot of people are getting more and more interested in LiveXLive. And then I was like, I told you so. So I just thought it was pretty funny, and I wanted to update you guys and talk to you guys about LiveXLive. So that's basically the video, guys. I do hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. So guys, have a great day. Please be safe out there. Please wear your mask, and see you next time, guys. Have a great day. Bye.